My name is Pete Siliberto. I'm with Global Energy Solutions, and we're here in Garnet Valley, Pennsylvania. We're the southeastern corner of Pennsylvania, in Delaware County. A few days ago, we installed this Smartcool product, and that's what we're here to talk about. The Smartcool product is a secondary controller that is installed on your air conditioning system. It's also installed on refrigeration systems. It doesn't replace the thermostat. What it does do is allow us to see a savings of 20 to 30%. What it does is it reduces the time that the compressor runs by that amount. The way that it achieves this is that it cycles the compressor on and off in a way that optimizes energy efficiency. What I mean by that is that it turns the compressor on and off and reduces the amount of runtime. Compressors, by their nature, they run in such a way that they turn on when the thermostat calls for cooling, and they turn off when the cooling that we're looking to achieve has been satisfied. That doesn't take into account the physics of the compressor itself. The compressor, by nature, when it first turns on, is at the highest efficiency level you're going to see. That's because the suction pressure is at the highest level. As the compressor runs, suction pressure drops within the compressor. What that does is it reduces cooling capacity. When cooling capacity reduces, it takes longer for the compressor to do the same amount of work that it did when it first came on. What do I mean by that? When the compressor first turns on, it's at the highest efficiency level. So to get that first degree of temperature drop, it takes a minimal amount of energy. If we were to look at a chart, and we're going to drop, say, from 76 degrees to 72 degrees in this house, the first degree of energy drop is going to use about 15% of the energy in that cycle. If we go all the way to that last degree of temperature drop that we're trying to achieve, it's going to use more than twice that amount. So the Smartcool unit will actually turn the compressor off just a little bit sooner than it normally would, and then turn it on a little sooner than it normally would when only being controlled with the thermostat. And in doing so, we see a very nice savings. In this case, this was installed 5 days ago. We have 17 hours of runtime. We have 8 hours of save time. What does that mean? Had this not been installed, 17 plus 8, this compressor would have ran for 25 total hours. It didn't. Because of the Smartcool unit, it only ran for 17 hours, and 8 hours were saved. And this was all done while maintaining the same temperature inside. The Smartcool unit has a very nice feature called an automatic override feature. And what that allows us to do is when the call for cooling comes, and it goes through 2 save cycles, and there's still a call for cool, in other words, the load hasn't been satisfied, the Smartcool unit, it's intelligent. It will tell the compressor to keep running, and it will take itself out of the loop until the temperature has been satisfied inside. That's why we call it Smartcool. It's a great product. We've had great success with it. We've installed it in many residential applications. We've installed it in many commercial applications. This is the residential model. We have the same exact technology that we install in universities, hospitals. We've have hundreds of installations right here in the Delaware Valley area. Thank you for taking the time to look at this video, and we hope to see you again soon.